take the back panel off, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, and take the screws off the back. Be very careful, it's very sharp. Before disassembling the back, make sure the power is always disconnected. You'll need a multimeter. In order to test the heating element, you need to disconnect. Take your multimeter and put it on ohm setting. Take the 2 leads and test. You should get 0 ohms. We're getting a 10 ohm reading, so the heating element's fine. Difficult to get off. There we go. Disconnect. Should get 0 ohms. We should get 0 ohms across these. We're getting 0 ohms. Disconnect the wires. We're getting 0 ohms. So the thermal fuse is fine. Here's the cycling thermostat. This is the low limit cycling thermostat. Put your multimeter on AC. Put the leads right here. This is on low setting, low heat on the dryer. Right now, the 2 metals are closed inside the cycling thermostat. When the temperature drops, the 2 metals, see right there where it just, the 2 metals expanded, the heat causes the 2 metals inside the cycling thermostat to separate and break the heating circuit. Then when the 2 metals cool inside the cycling thermostat, it completes the heating circuit and should kick back on. Right now we're not getting no voltage, so there should be no heat coming out. But when the 2 metals come back together after cooling, you should get a temperature reading here, a voltage reading of 240 volts. As you see, it just completed. You got 238 volts, 39 volts. The cycling thermostat, low limit cycling thermostat is working. There you go. So there you go. Then we will progress to the timer switch, which is located right here. Be careful, this metal is very sharp. You can get cut. Here's the timer switch. You flip it on this side. Gently pull the top off. As we can see inside of the timer switch, if you look closely, there's carbon buildup from arcing on the contacts. If you decide not to take the switch apart, you can just buy a brand new timer switch. But this is how you salvage a timer switch. Sometimes the contacts get stuck or carbon builds up and not allowing the circuit to be completed on the heating circuit to prevent it from heating.